This is R.D. Sharma Solution Class 12, Chapter number 5, Algebra of Matrices, Exercises 5.3. So there are certain questions we are going to do here. There are repetitions, so we'll do few of them. This is question where we have to use this A and B matrices in a kind of equation. Similarly here also, if you multiply these two, there will be an equation. So what we have to do here is we have to find out A squared. Main thing is A squared. So just multiply this A, these two matrices, A into A. So you have 2, -1, 3, 2. And then same thing you have to write again. And just multiply the way I already taught you. This row, this column, 1 by 1 element, 2 2s are 4, and 3 minus 3. Then this row, this column, 2 minus 1, that is 2 minus 2. This is also minus 2. Now this second row with first column, 3 2s are 6 and 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 6. Now the second row with the second column. So 3 into minus 1 is -3 and 2 into 2 is 4. Okay. So this is A squared. What it is? 1, -4, 12 and 1. Now you just have to put it here in. So we have to multiply it by 3 because it is 3A squared. Multiply it, 3A squared, 3 into, this is 3, this is 36, this is minus 4 is minus 12, 3 into 1 is 3, okay. And minus 2b, now multiply this matrix with 2. So I'm multiplying each and every element with 2, 0, 4, -2 and 14. So it is -2, okay. This is 2 by 2 matrix. This is also 2 by 2 matrix. So what is I2? See, 1, 1. This is the diagonal has to be 1. Others has to be 0. So this is the final thing. Okay, now we'll just directly do it because there just has to be element addition and subtraction. So this is -2. I'm just now I'm writing it at once. So 3 minus 0 plus 1. Then -12 minus 8 plus 0. 36 minus 1 minus 2, that is 36 plus 2. And this plus 0. 3 minus 14 plus 1. Okay, so 3 plus 1 is 4. Minus 12 minus 8 minus 20. This is 38. This is minus 10 because it is 4 minus 14 minus 10. So this will be the final answer. And this is also same. Just take A as 4 to -1, 1. Okay. And then you have to subtract twice of I. What does that mean? I is what? It is, because it is 2 by 2 matrix, I also has to be 2 by 2 matrix. So 1 0 0 1. Twice is what? Multiply this with 2 2. So 2 0 0 2 like this. Then we have A again. That is 4 2 -1 1. And now you have to multiply it by 3. Multiply it by 3. 3i. So you get 3 0 0 3 like this. Okay. Okay. 4 minus 2 is 2. 2 minus 0, 2. Minus 1 minus 0 is -1. 1 minus 2 is -1. And the next one. 4 minus 3, 1. 2 minus 0, 2. Minus 1 minus 0, minus 1. 1 minus 3 is -2. So multiply 2 into 2, 2 into minus 1, 4 2 into 2, 4, 2 into minus 2, then -1 into 1, and then -1 into -1 is plus 1. Okay, -1 into 2, -2 in 2 into 2 and 2 into 1. So you get this as 0 0 0. Oh, everything is 0. That is what we wanted. This is the identity matrix. Okay. Oh, sorry, null matrix. So you have a square and a cube you have to find out. So this is a, just pick a square, that is multiply a with a. This is your a square. Then you have a cube, multiply a 3 times. Again you have to multiply the result. So this will be the answer. So we have already seen just now a question, and I just skipped it because here I am going to show you how this a square will be computed. Let us do it. This is b square. I am doing it and I will show you that it is going to be 0, 0, 0, 0, null matrix. So we are multiplying a square means multiplying a twice. A cube is multiplying a thrice, 3 times. So we are multiplying twice here. ab into ab. Then plus b square minus a square. This row, this column. Now the first row and second column. ab into b square minus ab. Now minus a square. The second row with the first column, minus a square ab. And then minus ab a square. The minus minus plus. Now this row and this column. So minus a square b square plus this is ab. Okay. So this is a square b square. This is minus a square b square. This is ab cube minus ab cube. This is minus a cube b plus b a cube. This is also at 0. Minus a square b square minus a square b square. So this also goes 0. So you get a 0 here. So when you do a cube, whenever it is being said, the final answer has to be multiplied by a again. I'll do a square this again. This is CBSE 2000. So since trigonometry is involved here, so we have to have a bit idea about the trigonometric expressions and the inequalities, equalities, etc. So cos 2 theta, sin 2 theta minus sin 2 theta and cos 2 theta, let's multiply it a and a again and again. Means 2 a's, just take the matrix multiplication. This is cos 2 theta minus sin 2 theta, sin 2 theta and cos 2 theta. So now the first row with the first column, then this first row with the second column. So cos 2 theta into cos 2 theta minus sin 2 theta into sin 2 theta. Now the first row with the second column. Cos 2 theta, sin 2 theta and sin 2 theta and cos 2 theta. Multiply them and add them. Now the second row with the first column. Minus sin 2 theta and cos 2 theta. Then cos 2 theta and minus sin 2 theta. Now the second row with the second column. Minus sin 2 theta, sin 2 theta. That is going to be square. Cos 2 theta and cos 2 theta again. Just write cos square 2 theta. Please remember all are 2 thetas. So whatever will be the result, it will be 2 theta. So this is cos square theta minus sin square theta. Cos square theta minus sin square theta is what? Cos 2 theta. Since it is already 2 theta, it will be 2 into 2 theta, that is 4 theta. Cos 4 theta it will be. This is sin theta, sin 2 theta, cos 2 theta, that will be twice of sin 2 theta, cos 2 theta. And 2 sin 2 theta, cos 2 theta is what? Sin 2 theta. As I said, theta is already twice. It will be sin 4 theta. Sin 4 theta. This happens here also. Take minus outside, it will be plus. It will be similar to the second, the second element of the first row. That will be sin 4 theta only. Thus, just it will be negative. What is this? Cos square theta minus sin square 2 theta. So that is again, similar to this one. So cos 4 theta. This is going to be the a square. A is given, B is given. AB into BA is null matrix 3 by 3. The answer has to be 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. This has to be the final answer. So we have AB and BA. Same kind of questions here we have. This 12th one and the 13th one. So one of them will do because here we have numbers, proper numbers, integers you can say. And Here we have some variables. So let us do one of them so that we get a fair idea about how to solve it. So I'm gonna do this one, and at least I have to show you how A and A dot B will be done. So I'm writing A here, and we'll perform A and B matrix multiplication, and you'll see that it will be equal to 0. Similarly, BA, I'll just leave it for you, but let me do it first. See, because it takes time, it takes some time. Okay. So now the matrix multiplication has to be done. When we replace A by B, it means A into B and B into A, this things remain unchanged. 0, 0, 0 will be result. So first row, first column. 0 into A square, 0, C into AB is ABC. Then minus B into AC is minus ABC. Now first row, second column. It's very simple matrix multiplication. Just you have to worry about the signs. Signs may create some, sometimes you miss the sign and the answer you won't get. So what are you going to do? First row with all the 3 columns on the right hand side. Then second row with all the column on the second matrix. Then third row of the first matrix multiplying with every column of the second matrix. So I'm doing one by one now. So this is first row with third column I am performing now. Okay, what do you see? Here only you can see ABC minus ABC is 0. B square C minus B square C is 0. BC square minus BC square is 0. First row is already 0, which I can see. Now minus CA square plus 0 plus A square C again 0. Now second row with the second column, A minus ABC plus 0 plus ABC. Now second row with the third column, minus AC square plus 0 plus AC square. Now the third row with all these 3 columns. So as I was just suggesting you that it will take some time to solve this. So what we have to do is, I'll just show you A into B. The previous question and this question, you have to perform same way. You have to perform BA also. And just be very careful about the signs and the computation, because the computation only takes the time. Otherwise, if you understand the procedure of matrix multiplication, there will be no problem in solving it. So what I'm trying to show you here, that every element which I computed is becoming 0, 0, 0. Like B square minus A, this is also B. Every element like A square B minus A square B. Last one is ABC minus ABC. So everything is 0. Now same thing you have to do B cross A, and eventually you will get a 0, 0, 0 null matrix. So same these two you are going to perform. Same here. AB will be not 0 here. It will come back again to A. And when you do BA, it will come back again to B. Right? A and B. So what you have to do? Multiply A with A, then multiply B with B and subtract it. So A into A you have to do. This is A square, A dot A. Then you have B square, that is B dot B. B square you will get. Now A square minus B square is what you got first. A square and B square, you just have to subtract it. The final answer you can see here. There is nothing. There is only one thing I would like to tell you here. That is A square. Why do you want to do A square and B square? There will be 2 multiplication. But here, if you do A square minus B square as A minus B, A plus B, it will be only 1 multiplication. That is, first add these 2 matrices and subtract these 2 matrices, and finally multiply them. So there will be only 1 matrix multiplication. That you can also do. For the following matrices, verify the associativity of matrix multiplication. As we already suggested, the matrix multiplication is associative. That is, when you multiply A, B first or BC first in the multiplication of ABC, the result remains unchanged. It will be same, right? So first we are doing AB, then multiply it with C. Second, we multiply BC, and then we multiply it with A. And as I just suggested, the result won't change here. It is called the associativity of matrix multiplication. AB and BA, if you multiply, they won't be able to give the equal answer. They are not equal. But when you are multiplying in series, you can take any order. For the following matrices, verify the distribution of a matrix multiplication over matrix. So, I am just giving you an example. 2 into 3 plus 4. What does it mean? 2 into 7, 14. So 2 into 3 plus 4 is 2 into 3 plus 2 into 4. What are you going to get? 6 plus 8, that is 14. This is what you have to do here. So I hope you will be able to do it, okay? Just add B and C, multiply it with A. Second time, multiply AB, multiply AC and add them. And let me assure you, the answer will be same because the matrix multiplication over matrix addition is distributive. You can verify this distributivity. Same here. That is, subtract C from B, multiply with A, or multiply AB and multiply AC and then subtract them. The both answer will be similar. Matrix, subtraction and addition you have to do. The multiplication we have already seen how to do it. Okay, compute the elements A32 and A22. So first we have to multiply, and whichever result is going to come, we have to pick certain elements from that final matrix. The first one is 4 by 3, the second is 3 by 2, the third one is 2 and 5 columns here. 2 into 5. So this, when you multiply this, the result will be 4 cross 2. When you multiply 4 cross 2 with 2 cross 5, 2 gets cancelled, it will be 4 cross 5. So finally it will be 4 cross 5 matrix. And when you finally get to the answer 4 cross 5, what do you get? This is 4 cross 5. 4 rows and 5 columns. So you will get A43 also, A22 also. Let me just make that final matrix for you. A11, A12, A13, A14, A15, here A21, A22, A23, A24, A25, A31, A32, A33, A34, A35, A41, A42, A43, A44, A45. Now what you have to find out? See, let me just mark it. There are two elements we have to compute. Find out after computation. A43 and A22. These are two mark which we have to find out. So let me just show you how to multiply it. So when you multiply these two, okay. So there are so many questions which we have to do. So I'll just show you how we have to multiply, because matrix multiplication is quite clear to you. So first we multiply, either you multiply the first two or the latter two. It's up to you. So this is the value A22, and what is A43? Fourth row, third column. This is A43. So this is A22 and this is A43. I hope you'll be able to do the multiplication, right? Okay, this question we'll take in the next discussion. Till then, thank you so much. Take care of yourself.